Experiencing distorted sound from your Samsung Galaxy Watch? You're not alone. This video will guide you through understanding and fixing this common issue, especially relevant for Galaxy Watch 5, 6, and Ultra models launched between 2022 and 2025. Speaker distortion can manifest as muffled, crackling, or generally poor audio quality during calls, notifications, or when playing media. This issue primarily affects Galaxy Watch models from 2022 to 2025. The Watch 5 was the first to show these problems, followed by the Watch 6 series and the Ultra model. We'll explore the reasons behind speaker distortion and provide actionable solutions to help you get clear audio from your Galaxy Watch. Several factors can cause speaker distortion in your Galaxy Watch. Hardware limitations play a big role. The tiny speaker is designed for notifications, not high-fidelity audio. Pushing the volume too high, above 50 to 70%, can cause clipping. Water damage, even from sweat, can corrode internal components and cause electrical interference. Software glitches in Android Wear or One UI can also misallocate CPU resources, leading to audio artifacts. Outdated Bluetooth connectivity can worsen things during calls. Knowing the cause is the first step to solving it. Before considering hardware fixes, try these software-based solutions. First, ensure your Galaxy Watch has the latest software updates. Samsung's One UI Watch 6.0 update, released in late 2025, includes audio processing improvements that can reduce distortion. Restart your watch to clear any temporary glitches. Clear the cache and data of the phone and Bluetooth apps on your watch, as corrupted data can sometimes cause audio issues. Also, try using the SmartThings app, which includes a self-test for speaker health. Sometimes, the distortion is due to physical blockage or water inside the speaker. Gently clean the speaker grill with a soft, dry brush to remove dust or debris. If you suspect water has entered the speaker, use the watch's built-in water ejection feature if available, or gently shake the watch with the speaker facing down to dislodge any trapped water. Avoid using compressed air or sharp objects, as these can damage the speaker. If the speaker distortion persists after basic troubleshooting, try performing a factory reset on your Galaxy Watch. This will restore the watch to its original factory settings, but be aware that it will erase all data, so back up important information first using Samsung's Smart Switch. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings on your watch. From Settings, select General, then choose Reset. Finally, select Factory Reset to complete the process. If the speaker distortion appeared after installing a specific app, try booting your Galaxy Watch in Safe Mode to isolate the issue. Safe Mode disables third-party apps while keeping core functions active. To enter Safe Mode, long press the power button on your watch. Then long press the Power Off option that appears. If the distortion disappears in Safe Mode, a recently installed app is likely the cause. You can then uninstall suspicious apps to resolve the issue. If software and cleaning solutions don't work, it might be a hardware issue. Check your warranty status. Samsung often provides free repair services for speaker distortion, especially for models within the warranty period. Contact Samsung support or visit an authorized repair center. If the watch is out of warranty, consider getting a quote for speaker replacement. Be aware of potential class action lawsuits related to Galaxy Watch speaker issues, as expanded warranties sometimes result from these. To prevent future speaker distortion in your Galaxy Watch, start by avoiding excessive exposure to water or sweat. Even minor water ingress can corrode the internal speaker components, leading to electrical interference and audio distortion. Keep your watch dry during activities like swimming or heavy exercise. Next, protect your watch from extreme temperatures. Both very hot and very cold conditions can stress the speaker materials and electronics, causing them to warp or malfunction over time. Store your watch in moderate environments and avoid leaving it in direct sunlight or freezing conditions. Keep the speaker grill clean by gently wiping it with a soft, dry cloth regularly. Dust and debris can accumulate in the small grill openings, blocking sound waves and causing distortion. Avoid using liquids or abrasive materials that could damage the grill. Reduce reliance on the built-in speaker by using Bluetooth headphones or earbuds for calls and media playback. This not only prevents distortion from overuse, but also provides better audio quality and privacy during conversations. For long-term prevention, consider upgrading to newer Galaxy Watch models. Recent versions feature enhanced waterproofing ratings up to 100 meters and redesigned speakers with better durability and sound quality, significantly reducing the risk of future distortion issues. The future of audio in wearables looks promising. Trends include bone conduction technology, already in some Galaxy Watch models, that bypasses traditional speakers, reducing distortion. AI-driven audio enhancement aims to dynamically adjust audio for clarity, addressing distortion in real time. Samsung's roadmap includes graphene-based speaker materials for better durability and sound quality. By 2030, AI audio tech could dramatically reduce distortion rates in wearables. Keep an eye on these advancements.